Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. I guess I could say good evening because that is 10:13 at night, not AM. But the new MacBooks just came out today, and I really wanted to do a test render on it. Nothing too crazy, just on my camera here, 1080p, 60 frames a second. Not doing any footage from the iPhone just quite yet on it, but Mujjo sent over their leather wallet case for the iPhone, their MagSafe case, or their MagSafe wallet rather. I have their MagSafe leather case right here. And I also had the wallet version of this that I gave to somebody because I prefer these because they hold, you can keep your cards in them whether you're using the case or not. And I can use this on the back of my phone just by itself. So really, really nice because I use my phone without a case most times. But of course, if you want to use it with their MagSafe wallet or with their MagSafe case, you can of course do that as well, like so. As you can see there, goes on very, very nicely. Looks very nice, color matching right there. And the nice thing about the back of this wallet is it has these kind of silicone rubbery strips right here that are like anti-slip, so they keep it from sliding around on the back of your phone, on the back of this case. They really do add some grip to it without you having to have a super strong magnet that's hard to remove. It's not weak or anything like that, it's just going to fall off, but it's very easy to access when you want to get to it. But those rubber pieces keep it from absolutely going everywhere on the back of your phone. It does take quite a bit of force to push it side to side, stuff like that, so that's very, very nice to see there. So that is the Mujjo card wallet right there. It holds up to 3 cards. It is vegetable tanned leather. I know I've been getting that question a lot on my case videos. It is vegan leather, it's vegetable tanned. And then here are some of the specs right here. And you can see it does have a little piece down there on the bottom, a little opening so you can slide your cards up and have easy access to them. So Mujjo card wallet, once again, thank you for them sending all these cases and wallets out for me to check out for you guys. Very, very supportive of the channel, and a lot of you guys do like these cases and wallets because Apple doesn't make the leather ones anymore. So these have been quite popular amongst you guys. I can see it on my Amazon referral links. A lot of people are interested in these because of that, it actually being leather and not the fine woven stuff and stuff like that. So we'll have a link to this down below. Check it out. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.